Sige ko na continue.
I am proud to be a Filipino.
I am proud to be a Filipino. I am proud to be a Filipino.
I am proud to be a Filipino. By Corina Manyo. I am a Filipino.
I am a Filipino. I am a Filipino.
I am a Filipino.
I came from island, rippled with sand,
Where days are green fires,
and nights are warm with moon and stars.
girding my ruins is blood.
Rich as well.
For I was born of sultans, rahas, kings, soldiers, heroes who fought to me.
The poetry of freedom. My house is my land. Virgin, virgin,
Ground,
brown, wove out of love,
volcanic rock and shell,
carpeted with rice, corn, coconut, cake, tree, that rise of temple to grapple wind.
rain, mighty rivers, following the earth.
Luring walk, my shadow is a marriage of blood. Malay, Chinese,
Spanish,
American, Japanese, while in my bones, sleep quietly as a bride, bound with desires of bumpers, who dream of empires, gold, trade, and fight, though a pain free.
I stand with the ancients for my love and loyalty. I am fish to the sea. I am proud of my brownness.
My duty and destiny are 33 million brown men, planting rice,
Husking coconuts,
throwing nets for into the Pacific, having mountains of iron, coal, chrome,
manganese.
and timber,
To live, we are one and the same.
as moving restless caravans of dark brown skins, building a holy heritage of democracy.
Piece by piece, with our blood, sweat, and death.
As a bird builds patiently, twig by twig, the warm brown circle of its nest.
I am a Filipino.
I am a Filipino. I am a Filipino. I am a Filipino. I believe in the goodness and the bounty of God. I believe in the grandeur of charity and peace as a cure for the ills of men.
For I am a Christian who looks upon all men. Brothers who start to eat to love.
I believe in my country.
And in the deathlessness of my blood. For its every color is a history of courage, sacrifice, and death.
Against injustice, tyranny, oppression, and hate.
I believe in my people as a noble keepers of the faith.
That all men are equal. That all men are free. I believe in the verdant and sprawling mountains,
Hills,
valleys, plains,
lakes,
waterfalls, rivers,
sunsets,
beaches,
and a generous sea.
alive, sovereign,
Wonderfully happy in work.
and abundant with hope for my people.
I am proud to be a Filipino.
I am proud to be a Filipino. I am proud to be a Filipino. Filipino.